U.S. enforcement chief behind CFTC crypto cases exits before Trump arrives. Ian McGinley, the enforcement director at the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, is stepping down days before President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration. By Jesse Hamilton, edited by Benjamin Schiller, January 10, 2025, 9:41 p.m. UTC. Enforcement Director Ian McGinley is leaving the Commodity Futures Trading Commission in a week, ending a relatively short tenure that saw some high-profile crypto cases. Powered by 00:16/23:441045.5K8 crypto lost $1.49 billion to hacks in 2024. Securing your stack in 3 steps. STLP0 fill. Hashtag FF3E5F. .ST1 fill. Hashtag FEF.ST2 fill. Hashtag FF3E5F. Share to ALSX. 1. Isolation. Isolate. .CLSX. 2. Fill. Hashtag FF3E5F. .CLSX. 3. Fill. Hashtag FFF. NextStayHe arrived at the agency in February 2023, a month before the CFTC sued Binance, and then CEO Changpeng Zhao for violating U.S. commodities laws. During his tenure, he also oversaw the conclusion of the enforcement work against collapsed global platform FTX, which he characterized as the largest recovery of dollars for victims in CFTC history. The agency has since pursued actions against KuCoin and Falcon Labs, among other projects. In a 2023 speech, McGinley addressed the agency's special focus on digital assets, saying, "The CFTC has risen to the challenge in a remarkable fashion." In the statement announcing his January 17 departure, establishing the CFTC as a premier law enforcement agency for digital asset enforcement was listed first among the priorities of his tenure. The CFTC's cousin agency, the Securities and Exchange Commission, usually gets more attention and industry criticism for its crypto enforcement work. Though both have pursued dozens of major cases, McGinley's departure opens a path for Republicans to redirect the agency's enforcement work when a Trump appointee takes over the chairmanship. Trump's transition crew has reportedly eyed a long list of potential CFTC chiefs, but hasn't pulled the trigger as quickly as it did on the marquee opening atop of the Securities and Exchange Commission. However, if crypto legislation makes headway in 2025, the CFTC could overtake the SEC as the dominant agency overseeing U.S. digital assets markets. Sitting Republican commissioners, Pham and Summer Mersinger, have been touted as potential candidates for the almost open chairmanship, alongside former Commissioner Brian Quintenz, currently head of policy at A16Z Crypto.